Hi, this is Mickey Jo from Mickey Jo's Craft Shack, and I want to show you all something, don't remember what it said, diamond dot carrying cases, because when you're working on them, you might get tired of working on one or the other, and so you take them away and work on a different one, or when you're finished with them and you're not framing them yet, you need something to do with them. But first one I purchased was this. And this, in case one of you want to get it, is an art portfolio. It's 19 inches by 25 inches, and it's $13.99 through Amazon Prime. And I really liked it because it's different than other portfolios. It's clear, you can see through it, you know what's in there. But it's not as sturdy. See, it folds all up and stuff. So I happen to have something that I had years ago, and now it's bent, and I put this in there. Well, I thought that would solve the problem. When your stuff is in there, and I'm going to have to move it to the front, because apparently I'm not going to be able to show you. Even though that's keeping it flat and sturdy, this still gets pushed down in there. Hope you can see that. So, what happens when it gets pushed down in there is you might have to come in on this. Your beads, dots, diamond dots, move around. That white isn't even supposed to be there. It's supposed to be way over here. So things start coming off and coming out of place, and you can't have it like that. They've got to be stored flat. Well, I checked out several different things on Amazon, and I found this aluminum briefcase. I didn't want to buy it because it was $35.16. And my TV is talking. But anyway, this one, as you can see, is 17.5 inches by 4 inches high by 13. And I wasn't for sure if it'd work, and I was afraid it might be too heavy. It's not really that heavy. I don't know what it weighs, but it is a briefcase. And so when you open it up, it's got all the little pockets and stuff like a briefcase. But now, as long as you don't have a really, really big one, they do fit. They fit flat in there. And I needed somewhere to store. And I have extra little things in here. I'll show you these real quick, what I've done. And I haven't framed them yet. But you need them somewhere stored. Oh, I didn't do this one. A friend of mine did. But I'll go ahead and let you see it. You need them stored somewhere until you get them framed. And this, if you happen to buy this online, I thought all of this, oops, I guess I'm too far back. I thought all of this was diamond dot. It's not. It's just the edges. And most of the time it'll say full diamond dot or half. And this one said full. Full means that it was supposed to, all that was supposed to be diamond dot, so we lied. This one I haven't started yet. I started it, but I stopped because this is white. But when you start putting the diamond dots in, it's pink. Well, pink shading right there would be fine, but I don't want the entire area pink. Okay, and the rest of this is not. And then I don't know if any of you guys have downloaded or not, but you can download online and get the DMC color chart. And I haven't started this yet, but I'm going to glue my beads next to it to show what I do have on hand. Because some of these, and boy, I'm not prepared, but some of these, this one, if you zoom in, has the color chart for the diamond dot, but it also tells you what the DMC color is. If you've done cross stitch before, you'll know what that is. And so it makes it easier to buy extra beads. But it holds everything in here nice and flat. And I'm not quite sure. Let's turn it on its side and shake it a few times. Whether that one will fold in half or not. Hopefully not. It did move a little bit. So you might want to put something a little bit sturdier in front of it too, because you don't want to have the same problem as the other. But in all, I really like this. And of course you're afraid somebody's going to steal your diamond dot paintings. You can put a code in there. But other than that, this is great. So this is Mickey Jo's Craft Shack. Don't know where my paper went, so I guess we don't have it. Whoops. way down here. Thick as Mickey Joe's Craft Shack. And thank you for watching. You can subscribe if you'd like to. Bye for now.
And hit that bell.
And hit the bell. Thanks.